everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dale Publico from Dale Finecorp. For today po, may mga bago kaming listings, which is ito yung mga resale unit na may mga unit owner na binibenta nila. So ito yung TOR, SMDC TOR, Transfer of Rights. So ito, ang transaction niya sa SMDC po, Customer Service. And ang magiging transaction is 1 day. So, kailangan i-prepare lahat ng mga kailangan ng bagong buyer or yung client. And may dalawang listings. So, first is yung S Residences and another S Residences. So, first, S Residences, Tower 3. So, yung Tower 3, mas malapit siya sa W Mall. Ang Tower 1 is nasa dulo. So, magandang magandang location niya. And nasa 4th floor, facing MOA. So, facing ng MOA, facing siya ng C Residences. And ang size is 26.12 square meters. Total contract price, yung selling price is 4.7 million. Ang cash out, ito yung cash out na kailangan ibigay doon sa seller. Bali, sa seller, ibibigay yon and then magbibigay ng 300,000 sa SMDC as sa transfer of rights na fee. So, may babayaran kapag transfer sa pangalan ninyo. And yung balance na 2.5, pwede ninyo siyang i-bank loan or in-house or i-cash. And under na yun sa pangalan ninyo. Next listings is S Residences, Tower 3. Ang floor niya is 8th floor. And facing ng Entertainment City. So, square meters niya is 26.12 din. Selling price is 4.8 million. And yung cash out niya is 2.2. And then, yung balance niya is 2.5. Yan. So, itong mga listings na to, possible pagka nabenta na siya, may another listings kami. So, if you're interested po, just email us at buy@talktoteamdale.com.